Welcome back to my craft channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sand the edges of the resin pendants. Today you will need a few resin pendants, nail filers, or sandpaper, a trash can to stand over so all the dust can go in the trash can instead of all over the place. And I'm going to show you how to make this, and showing you how to make the pendants into keychains. You need craft pliers, keychain rings, these jump rings, and your pendants. First, we're going to sand the edges. So you need your trash can, filer, and your pendants. File the edge until it's smooth. Always do it over a trash can so dust can go in there. I'm just holding the trash can because it's moving around. And I brush off the dust over the trash can. And let's try this filer. Sometimes this one's better than the yellow one that I was using. That feels fine. Next one. Over the trash can again. Repeating the same thing with this diamond pendant. Scrape off the dust in a trash can. I'm using this nail filer because it works better than my yellow one sometimes. The yellow one I use for smaller inside pieces, which I'll show you how to sand earrings in another video. That feels good. My hands get dusty, so I just wipe the dust over the trash can. Now the same thing with the moon. Sand the sharp edges. Then get the top of that, the corners. Oh, the smaller one will work better in between this for the moon. And then on top of the point of the moon. I always try to get the points too if they're sharp. But if they're not sharp, you don't want to sand them down. That feels good. Now, I'm just checking these to make sure that's good. That feels good. Now let's move the trash can out of the way. And nail filers. Now you need craft pliers, the jump rings. I'll make it 3 keychains. Your pendant and your key ring. First, I take the craft pliers, grab this jump ring, push back and back out of my way and toward me with the craft pliers to open the ring like this. Then I loop it through this little hole first, and then I close it up a little bit, and then I hook it onto this key jump ring right here, and then I close it I try to close it as best as I can, tight where it won't come all apart. And you got one keychain. I'm going to repeat it 2 more times. Take this jump ring, craft pliers, open up the jump ring again, take another pendant, loop this jump ring through this hole, and loop this jump ring through this jump ring, and close it. Make sure they're closed pretty good. And key ring number 2, same thing for the last one. Open this key ring, jump ring, like that. Again, another pendant, put it through this hole first again, and then put it through this jump ring again, and close this jump ring, and you got key chain number 3. I'll be back for another video for demolding. Like and subscribe.